Hey, this is Chef Chris with the Fisherman's Dock here in Beacon Kitchen. Today we're going to be working with what I consider one of the most perfect foods in the ocean, sea scallops. Now, sea scallops are available year-round, fresh at the Fisherman's Dock. One of the most important things about picking your sea scallops is to make sure that they're plump and they stand up on their own. You don't want a sea scallop that's lazy. You don't want one that just kind of lays there. You want one that stands up and says, hey, I'm ready to eat. So in preparing our sea scallops, there's one important thing. The portion of the sea scallop that you eat is actually the abductor muscle. And there's what's called the foot. And you want to make sure that you remove the foot by just lightly peeling it off. If you leave these on, they become very rubbery and it's basically inedible. Some people are lazy and they like to keep them on there. I do recommend, however, taking the foot off. It's very simple. The ingredients for this recipe are straightforward. The red pepper coulis consists of red pepper, shallots, red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, and a little bit of lemon juice. You can find the recipe on thefishermansdock.com. For our gremolata, we're going to use fresh parsley, washed and completely dried, toasted almonds, fresh garlic clove, lemon, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. So let's get into the parsley. We're going to rough chop the parsley to begin with, and then add our almonds right on top of the parsley and continue to chop until everything's incorporated. Next, we'll chop our garlic. And then zest our lemon. Using a microplane for this. You can use a zester, a cheese grater, but I find a microplane works really well because it just gets the zest. It doesn't leave any of the pith. That way it doesn't pith you off. Then combine all the ingredients and continue to chop. Add ingredients to a small bowl, salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil. Probably about 2 tablespoons, just till it turns wet. Then we're gonna mix together. The oil helps to combine everything and keep all the ingredients together. Now it's very important to taste your food while you're working with it. That way you know exactly what you're working with at the end. I think that needs a little lemon juice. Flavor saver, baby. Perfectly seasoned. The lemon juice did the trick. Now we're gonna lightly season our scallops with pepper and sea salt. It's important to have a hot pan when searing scallops. That way you get a nice golden sear on them. Scallops cook really quick, 1 to 2 minutes max. While the scallops are searing, we're gonna start plating our dish. Take some of our red pepper coulis, makes a nice base. After 1 minute, turn the scallop. Continue to cook for another minute. To plate the scallops, put them in the middle of the coulis. And then top with the gremolata. The crunchiness of the almonds, the zestiness of the parsley and the lemon, the clean flavor of the seared scallops, and the robustness of the red pepper coulis are sure to add an enjoyable evening to your dinner. Seared scallops with almond gremolata and roasted red pepper coulis. Find this recipe and others on thefishermansdock.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.